Ejadam na Janet dam na no edene. Ene anopai ya the video to review brow. Jennifer Quinn, one of the communication team for the MPP. Enra ekopie mu wo Asasepa FM so edin sembi kotu dwa bra eye ni wo pa asembe na asie. Maami a ye frene Sabah Zita Benson. I'm telling you who she is. And then on the UK Ghana Embassy. Ojina John Mahama na naimu ewo UK maimu edema Ghana for mo ewo omino so. Na ano yati ha eni yati say gold board a sponsor e mabi ye nyina nim say turumutai for and a gold board sponsor omo ede omo ko UK say omo nkoye yes say woman empowerment to say de ben de beyo and omukogu ho say twe ye ka say wam here no mame ama na moana na asefo ni say sama we nyina no so no omu ye trumutai for bebre no ware ni ese ekopie mu ho no the UK embassy oye maame no ba ya na so de ma no awade omu ware no odi twa wo mpoa enye no nko na ebeka ho asem. Man, what is going on? What is going on? But your Timika. Asem we anye Jennifer Quinn de kura because so see identity maame panyini. Ode panyini obi ehawo esere no. Ye tie video no kakra me ba.
Ba program ase na whole diplomat. Ambassador be mass speech. Majority of a man and them on semi-insura about 70-75% no more worry.
A suja for.
But they may buy any bonnie so be this suja. Majority of them and worry. So be a worry cry. Now you more opportunity or your bar because such ma tio or fellow ma because such yes, rather a concert a man come mama a mama come on who young mama. Why your pony sao banana Los Angeles? Your man appointment or in 50th birthday when your mama had issue a present mama. This is the had issue statements and more being live extravagant life. Ma amena na year birthday ni 50th birthday kakrakabi Los Angeles because post your hinibi a frame so pamacho dia and kolani pulling it down. Na ya more opportunity. Me adwuma ye see any opponent ma crashia me nyom tse dem ne me machia because omo ye ma e ma ye yamanyo sebe yesua it is abono he maka bibi kura me tia wa sebe badwemba onyansem Sandra ye wunua me Sandra ye machiri baba ye miensa so ati ase se na no atia me mpo me wo kwa me fa so me ne kasa no when I've gotten a big platform.
Yes, enti se utie video ya Jennifer Quinn ena back to back kese pa edema ye maame NDC UK Embassy for Ghanaian se fene Sabah Zita Benson sabio etrumutai for ma ya de omuko UK ye nyina nim se bebre na no ye slave queen for higher level a VIP slave queen style na ye nim se bebre no ware ye embassy ni begina ho de awade etwa wompoa asem we anye Jennifer Quinn de kura to a bar bonten the fire and no a temper abramami ye betie sansem we ye na Jennifer Quinn assign at the yen ewura Ghana the situations are ekoso ne ewo in terms of governance and ye mabone teachers say yentua wonka kokwa akuafo musika yira and all the other matters I single source and why chronological corruption alleged corruption cases are ekoso ora na ya breaking it down enya adwuma Jennifer Quinn at the home church munyina beba but fair for the edikan kotie abrana all school the embassy to the Republic of the Republic UK our representative John Mahama for the Ghanaian citizens of more UK we are near the we no so atwaso a higher mass media one subscribe na found say see adoma so say the be am ba life ubenya in notifications about life na wa join me ameno nyina che dwumadie na die makramo siamba sesia
matiti wa ba program ase na whole diplomat ambassador be mass speech. Majority of a man and it them on semi-insura about 70-75% no more worry.
A suja for.
But they may buy any bonnie so be this suja and majority of them and worry so be a worry cry. Now you more opportunity or your bar because such ma tio or fellow ma because such yes rather ye can say a man come mama a mema come on who young kumama. Why your pony sao banana Los Angeles? Your man appointment or in the 50th birthday when your mama had issue a present mama. This is the had issue statements and more be and live extravagant life. My men on a year birthday, the 50th birthday Kakrakabu Los Angeles. Because post your hinibi a frame so pamacho there and Kolani pulling it down. Now you more opportunity. Me. Adwuma ye see any opponent ma Croatia me nyom tse dem ne me machia because omo ye ma e ma ye ya manyo sabi yesua it is abono he ma ka bibi kura me tia wa sabi badwemba onyansem Sandra ye wunua me Sandra ye machiri baba ye miensa so ati ase se na no atia me mpo me kwa me fa so me ne kasa no when I've gotten a big platform to speak to my fellow women na ho na correspond say nipa ne nya kunu no ware obeye chef obeye nurse obeye teacher na even your boyfriend mpo no ojai no otimi anase o lose duties no ba ko say whatever I will clap for her.
Empowerment no
into when you dey empower ma to when the yenti ma da be yete be yete no when the yenti ma ba be yete no ho an yete no because a man be within a man be evil and this is purely evil act. Mamina Tinoyen is total embarrassment on womanhood, it's total embarrassment on young girls or munini bar or mushe mubi a friend say my what politics in my year Juma 28 years in you. What's my cassette or bada? Namu mema cram cassette yamu. They are more opportunity Sandra Kabi be crying yawda. There's a what bonato. No quiet birthday kakraka when your president had warned you. Some more beer live extravagant life. Control party one yen organo one yen cantonment one yen what do you call it it's legal na jinga no trazako Los Angeles na fa plane no namfofo no ukunu suppose kunu also went na wodi di ni pampua wonu ma de wo wiase a oba yemfa ni e fellow ba atem wonu ma de kro aware ni awo hwe but with the blink of an eye like this you can lose it the two yama mention bono yin obetimi lose ni mienu with the blink of an eye pa e kun betimi afiri wonsa e be ma no kra so waware na ne da ho no kra no wotimi woni tirimu adwe na ware no kra utira nye wa ma wo ne wa ma mu anya de amfa pai bo anka ho a wonim say next week kra ware na ade e beto so e be successful then you use that opportunity na mebo wonim ade ye me ya satem didi na odidi Sandra no Sandra ewu atem no odidi no kra de yemfa no se ma me no mu ade dada o ka fon no da bi o Facebook ko we am ka ba respond to me wo de o pare
yemfa no se ni su ban no
da bi nyese yemfa no se ni su ene ne ban no ne nkra nkra ko oba Facebook on nkra bebre omo ko oh cassette omo oba ware fo a claim so ware wo also your responsible woman a wo hwe okunu no ma a woto ho no ase da bi a okun Facebook wuti da bi a ti Facebook wo okun bro hene wo okun etese no wo se ma hwe wo su ni ensua ho mampanin so nim se wo nim de ene wo do akoto nti wote ho no just agenda na wo ye ho we kire se UK ho na ma me ne wo no e pa che wo so ye MPP ni ba na ko ha wo hwe Ghana fontie no wontie me yi so ye MPP ni ba passport awu wo so pese ko renew wo UK abonten so Britain kromo wo UK abonten so wo so passport awu ana bibia si pese ko hu diplomat wo ho eye maame no I don't want to even give credence to her name. You see, I'm coming down to a level because at the end of why if some of us if we don't speak to it about ye norm say maame we di omuade or disrespect massa no tie kasa me peso be ka bi akire me wi ase no apart from saying this for be kasa as me akire because me I speak sense into them too me say ka no kre no I speak with facts it om do be ka kra me fa so my opponent but ni nyina mono na no ayi rabaki to esame akola odi be rem or board member of Bank of Ghana Beatrice dia ono so ne papa wu na no Beatrice o tie me nwia me manajo Beatrice ha dwen pa unim o ha dwen o sia me ma na o yom rough ye ma ne bi kroshi o ma but me ne Beatrice e sia not on a show bia ba bi me rested obi no be ye one o ko sia me a eni die no obuom patoti so ye NDC MPP
yeah
it for you to get this opportunity you go and disrespect a man katwa omusu anamo na nima de ya asam ne mintimu say me tan I am misfeeling say me tan say me nwanwa say me sere say me niwu obi didi mu atam didi is right at your doorstep on straight bullet to you, then you were clapping your hands.
Maybe an abroad no monte ase.
Tapi a rubber for hwe man o ye program need is a value ana de meaning bo o na come from meaning di bo pacho.
Women of valor.
Valor.
Yeah.
Na my program also program so my nyina successful.
Yes.
O mo ne mark some friend entrepreneurs ne man be kasa na yenkoye wo UK. No, because a gold born sponsor, whichever company and as entity sponsor, and me business, none of my business. But because I mama penicrat Jubilee House, one who say, you may know the ma on a Ghana 4 man kola, a Maya, a Mirawa 4, and a Wakumasu. Wait till I say Raban or TUK, Embassy Hon. I would not Ghana, ma'am. And you see, your friend, Her Excellency, wouldn't say?
Yeah, of course.
Ambassador BIA Echi.
So representing Ghana Mampany.
It was only a Mampany. But oh, Ira John Raman, Mamuman, Guasama, Many Good. A Rabano Koto birthday party, Kakao, Los Angeles. Only the Mamma and the Ghana 4 hour. So it means that all passport, one Casa passport, also a mom kita red book or UK. No?
Yeah.
So buy you need a friend's visa. He said, I say visa on arrival, and I say, we can win a crab more remember. The Dr. Baumia and PP at that romantic near be brass sound, ye airport and then nipper to quine or bar, won't quang here will be. But and ya no quanya visa over jail to beba. Bibi Sia, men come ambassador ho, where you gun and you call show him, sir, or so young people. That's what we know do at all. We have no pamo circle, and such a character has been given a diplomatic position. And you think a my am to see my head. People will think that to be our exaggerate, more exaggerating him, and ask him how many positions cry or yada. You know him in Hanam no started, maybe no started 15 years and I'm if you Sunyani, Yabakumasini, a bank crying, and Yabi Hanamwa. Wouldn't him how I fight for Ma, how I advocate for Ma. It's mean Cassia Mobia or Baby Jumaya, but see about Mamo, Yabamu Juma Baby, Ma, fight a man, Marta, one dear, and no there is a big no. When Timamano, or couldn't go to be any more, Sir Raddy, and Guasia Waja and a chill mine Ghana. At the whole, it will forever live with her till thy kingdom come. It will forever live with her in UK. Wow, they are in Guasiamano. Now, yet they are ye. One day, on a Sandra Bishia. So near Rabanisia, so on a Sandra Shia, a dear pan will be me a catcher. It's on a Sandra Shia, baby, not Chian good morning on your own, or Chian good afternoon on your so, or Chian good evening on your so. It's an embarrassment, but you see, a man, a young fan channel.
Okay.
I think she's still learning on the job, but this is totally out of place.
Right.
Wanyade na munu ye didi matom. Na na ba one of and you know say jifa gunu matie sinu so dendenden say wanya campaign ama party no tie. Wo mo say ye nkola achi. Mama kasam we. Wi ama be chia wate. Wo mo say ye say we prelims. Wo mo say ye nkola achi.
Brensu na me ma.
Wo mo say ye nkola achi. E na nkrofo didi wo maban ni mu ye ma ye munya hwe ne nkrofo tisi ye so nya. Na mo so be tisi tu ya na ma ba odi ya mi so be ko school. Oba ye adwuma na ma pe ba bi na me do wato. So some pe bibi ma na ade ye adwuma ma pa ma na ade. Na kasa no e ba fo na I'm very sure say sa na dodo na ye na kasa no ba fo. Na ase dua mu mokokwe no ani si na bua pepo. Amanyo sem na ye na hu ne sa no. Bi wo fo bi ameka hu. Mono yini. Data na. The only thing about ka hu ne say ye ka se ye be free SHS. Ye. Ya yam na ye. What is our next school placement no? Ye be twa free SHS mu. Wo ya we. Sa na matete. It is alleged. Yes, so one yes, I be jiren, you be pon be dren mo na your friend say
national security.
National security. Some they are normal. Working prison your friend say. Black Maria say dem won na be fie nyina de yakose o shows na betra be kan. Me nka asembone. Me say it is alleged and amboa. O ko black up no so any mesi. But mama na MPP fo ase. Ba bia NDC fo tena gu yanum ase no. E hwa ye de bia ya wo ba kokora nti no wo fi abre tena ha tea mu a tu ko fi a wo nko black up no so nko hwe ne ma asi wo ho me sem ka kire Dr. Baumia se wo bresa adam pam ni bie ne fo ni si hwa de kakra hwa dwuma nkola ne yema hwa dwuma nkola ne yema party no and ye be applaud you enye call party people oni mom everyday people who me say Jennifer Queen o and me who say wo ye pe I'll just look for your number me force wo nya wo number na ma bo aba so ya de that is what they are doing for MPP genuinely voluntarily firo makoma mu no mo ye maye eti o my Ghana de be bia ya beduru no say ya breso mo so ye didi jankrofo na mo
yeah
ifa gu no ko ni page a o se na aba na mo ene fufuro bi e ka ho omo anye campaign NDC aha on dey wa mo na abadi and as no kan work and report
as you mo discover kwa sponsor
onim die nti o se nipa bidum anya campaign ama NDC youth no to ho su to onim die nti a ye discuss e wo se yesesa aba o man ni sika sponsor nkrofo umko ye women of valor ye to to obi comment section am ko read ye screenshot o se me a branch organizer 100 cities cram sorry e bi na me ho and as a branch organizer no nipa e be down nipa e hwe wo busua e hwe wo party wa abam na anyway okwa yase a na asopopra na asofuru ban kasa na asofuru ban atiase odware no ansere nku ne futura ba na ase e powerful na na mo e penso nsi na de na mo se 100 Ghana cedi bi na ho enam se nyankopon odi ni pass ma no awurade egu obia odi otan egina ye so na wo no utira nye yi akwa bi ofre me na wa nya adwuma na ya me bo otu na se he wo wadidi na na ado ne ba omi atama mo ba power ye nya adwuma bi ama se frege ni fa na threat so obeku no ba medical police headquarters and I'm take your life. I'm so professional. I'm second. I'm take your life. I'm shoot. Now you are shoot today. Now you are shoot today. Professional when I the bomb too. Professional when I the bomb me too. Say, my friend. Also, my friend. My friend. Hey. You are Jennifer Queen, you are not stop program. I'm Skatri, Ubeku, who's a camera for phone. Foolish man. It's a camera for phone. Ube bomb to us a camera for phone. And just by the way, but Yaminti and a more animal bomb pie in it hasn't been easy, of course, moving around, going for programs in the night and all that. Akokraba brawa brenu and no tami tum say woman nimdia me nam kwansu ko studio an pa no efie ni fie to kan na mabona shimbe afe na wo se meba
afi no adwone ye na ye ne Jennifer Queen ne din komo bedi kan ka cho say Ali Mega e ba se national organizer MPP former MP for Doma West wo betra se ye bedi enkomo abawa radio e wo UK Yankee FM wo Sampa community e wa Chimdan strong wo Chimdan afia radio 103.3 Kofodia Mining City Radio 89.5 for Takwa Ensuayem Assassin 103 e wo Cape Coast Assassin 88.5 e wo Kumase Jennifer dia ba kwa minim wo ho no se anya so abetra manim e ba e magunu se yemwa wo mu a menim and then nyawo na be ka atre me menim magunu a omuni mi di nkomo e fa ho se Auntie Jennifer dia wonya ba bi si a ye ho beto yen
domas
ene Ghana e magunu ti bi omu wo mu ni se omunya djuma nye NDC Sabah promises say obe create jobs e dia ma e magunu recently it say ye fa security personnel ye fa bi immigration fire service police omo bi a portal and applicants nko aye 500,000 e bi eche interior minister ababontin dia betu dia say o metumi afa nipa 5,000 what is sad we are eto say na e ho funsanfo o mine so ete say
Brony mame mo adwo na me nchia no production team de din kan ye na de na ye prelims ade me din kan ye na me nchia me Facebook followers ene omo me live so mo hwemi sisi a mo se omo ti o da bia so
okay
na akokora so de obeye me ana o de ma be si anwuri eti be da wase so na me nua be ma ali my gap so be sweet at no so me ma na adwo de obeka bia no delegates de beti
inti why endorse it?
Oh, so so say ntie me nua ade no se de o mo sie twama hye mu no me nua mema ni nyina ko oh mo you confuse me hu de me ye na nkrofo bi sa na so ko de na so ko me de na anticipate
women's organizer na
onim say last 2 years me can't anticipate obi ko tena kuma say adwuma boso me onim de na me ko cast in position na
anti o ko dan
o say
ye
wi na ye din komo say me yan kan issues na
national commission
ma me nchia etifo ma me nchia etifo ne ahwefo na me fan chia kese free me fan chia kese free ye former president and former vice president who is a flag bearer of our party for 2028 His Excellency Nana Danko Akufo-Addo and His Excellency Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia and then who can omo madina who say see your lent mu na this year so lent na ni chiwe ni nyina ba bihia tie nyina yesre wrade say ni nyina mpaye na ye bo no so bo a mo bobia ma yese omie kwa ma ye 2028 and then so your former first lady and then 75 and 70 and then when you're 75th birthday into man happy birthday Ranti na maba na asem na woka no aya na ya homete say black apple so black apple no say me kan kokora bonti no me kan afo ani so onim blue compound house ye Facebook.
Okay.
Black apple ni TikTok. And I'm say
X no so ye den.
X ni blue. Unse no na ye black. And na ye blue na ba black. Te no so ye be kan black but say pa de the real black apple is the TikTok.
Okay.
Okoko na friend DC form brand tie no ba esu. Kan yuma samwa. Yes, MPP anya hwe yente kroma no maka ye say I don't know if say coding almost so many person omo ye nipa 1000 plus omo we almost so my den omo for 1 million 1 million 1 million so omo party for no nko akora na omo pega na for asema 1 million omo ya why there are people still crying I didn't know omo team why they whining I didn't know omo whining so omo nya adwuma anye say nyuma say yenye in creating nyuma ma party for and my friends of mine Ghana youth to no to abesiaye etiaye they are NDC is beneficiary of that. They used that as a campaign and benefited from it. It was well calculated and omo execute here na e won them power omunya power ni we no asem na we ye ne say enyuma no manya bia ma na so omo fiefo no ye fa so omo wi omo hwe omo fiefo omo hwe omo fiefo na wi aba abonte enkokon ketinketi a wo ka sa wochi me ko ka asem bi baabi na obi ka sa asem a wo kan di NDC ni bi wo so wotuma enkokon ketinketi e say wo ha obi dan one room akokora ha wo dan one room efie ni nya ne dia o man enkokon ketinketi aba baje enkoko be 50 ye be ma enkoko bu aka ho pacho enkoko bo no bro hene o de be sine dem singing room ho na nkukodwie onim nkukodwie na dwarem nipa no ahwe no a na come de na se oni adwumaye oye chobo na nado ye this Dr. Baumia ye this di atro di atamo awie no ni certificate o de kopa adwuma ni bi ene muni adwuma bi amode mo no de nkokɔ no ma no wo de nkokɔbo na kosiri dem nkukodwie na ewe no owie ye no wawe nkokɔ na mnasa obeton waton amu mienu opegel bi kura wonya no wakoma gel na maami bi se obeka bi ama no ama wonya gel no owie nkokɔbuo no waton nkokɔbuo no awe adiskana mnasa etuso ma youth no ama nkokɔ ma 50 so nkonko ye omo obinya 5 uti obinya 5 odu fie na me nsa wu ade achi mienu na ba akwa se ne bo ba akwa na aka na osikire ma me nse na okun ne we eti we ne ya adwuma o kai say some years ago Yera John Roman manifest administration obeka se wa ma kafra ye nua ba museum ni bi preko ama na koyen when ye nim sankramofo achi wade when Amina when ye nim say eyen Amina ankramofo achi wade so ye see ama ne preko ama na koyen but minya nua 5000 activate body camera on sa akra no wo night to stick akrabon so de meka we ko UK the night to stick akrabon so ko obeka se Dr. Baumia we preko wonim say ye haram wo ye nkramuni Dr. Baumia ye nkramuni wo ye siremuni be di atoro here de gu no so it will be some as we speak now any deal. I do not want to answer your question with a question, but we you may know better than me, the meaning. But you need apart from Numa, the new patriotic party, Amemu, Yaban, ye, a mam rantan ma bano, and you mean any year because I don't want any be in Pacho, and this is by and you must send on my criti. We are the century need your number, because as we speak now, minimum more criti. Now no call Parliament comma State of the Nation address oko so nai so wa chanko wa man yuma 20,000
or so 1 million jobs or ma create 1 million
there be the end was 720,000 to 13 people 13,000 now who divided 720 by 13,000 negative 0 negative 0 2 3 4 5 negative 6 7 8
e bia no papa
enti nkoko no ba ko no okun no chema nipa du. You should let us know. You can't know kodi zero back or can say or so what 72,000. Then no crown, a bit me as 13,000. It has some no count and throw dear what did not quabe town, a quabe down, no what me for 1 day, a peer journey. But Oka Castle be a new man, me pacho, Yera John Romani, my meaning sound, Babantina Yana Sam Casoni Baba, a Yana Sam Kanaka be oh, so Baban Sintino, Yana Sam Kanaka be but me be sase. Oba yemra enuma se no waketi ama yutu no okoka na omte comment section omudi oba bi phone line say obo watem di omedi di me odidi watem ni so sorry ano po nidi yo sese me so medi phone ma be uti ebro ni wo sorry ano po NDC ni o grassroots odi at na djuma no so obedi Dr. Baumia atem na djuma no so obedi obedi na nado atem na djuma no so obedi MPP appointees atem na djuma no so on de da bi odi Jennifer Queen atem obetra ya obetra TV so also di na tamo comment section onya data 50 pesos respect no obetra Jennifer is foolish Jennifer enso come de no dokono ba ko so onya ni mpacho ya breso dokono ye 2 cedi 50 pesos what on aboard nkoto no so abeto no 4 cedis yes dokono ye nti dokono bo ayede ebro bo ayede ama dokono bo ayede mpacho na dokono ba ko ye 7 cedis o ya we
yeah baby cry 10 cedis
dokono say 10 cedis wo kwa prema mfo nkoto no isle go abeto no 10 cedis but also tono and chain they are one talk about 7 cities. That is the country we happen to find ourselves in, and they don't want us to speak true to asabne wono oko kape na obi afro I'm kill you you talk too much I'm shoot you what's how the bro for who why adwuma ma party about power who is certificate adekopa adwuma wadwuma no so de ye beka say contracting ni person now offer phone obi about 70 pounds ne sesu ni ofie na sade who ko bo obi to saka bro for phone adwuma wo party ni ba power wudi atama party ni ba power adwuma wanya wo ya no you see ni abema so bisa pass employment edi so share recruitment ya abaya of course me your power let me timi boa manipa close to 900 nya security service adwuma
ko nipa 900
onye bibia na nipa kana foreign scholarship no ni ade ye nkan wasa manipa nya adwuma ye obi wo ho ana menni no o de aba na waboa no na wanya and by God's grace on my mother's grave I'm seeing 22nd September man you be at 10 peso
one sani pa 900 abo mu nyina
ade na me pekura se wa ba mu be ka se e na party aban na ba power me nya adwuma nye uti se si ame ba na me screenshot obi Facebook comment e wo black up no so o se wadi community potio wadi community police for 4 years which is under your government or NDC ni wadi community police for 4 years na party aba power brofo no kan me kan twi the party abraining team because me read wa a braining team the party aba power no free community police opportunity aba ama no na wo corner wakwakope police na ya udi AI so be any interview na also on 42 minutes answer more than 50 questions otimi answer 20 also are disqualified no sune so obetuna ba NDC bi enam ko TV so a owura bi onya NDC ni political party ba ko bi no new one no osi obi obeka se Middle East war no MPP ni bi obeka se ye na homete se ba affect bi am nyine na ye de nam se yenye duabro ni o yenye dum say yes ye tiri mu nya den because ye tofu anu am ye kame
of course we to be
me ko to body market na bo aye den kame me your ba me di dwab no aduane me didi abonten me ko dwa so na niam body omo mada ye di senior ma ne bo kosora e kame me ti o man Ghana mu so why will I be happy but politics are the way they politicize Russia and Ukraine war no and now bounce back I hit almost so hard on the ground say timi sorry you know na so kra no my hwe and na me kan say they should give us external shocks na eba no and niam betimi de asi ano say affect ye but what you see me youth na de no it is all cause employment was see e fanipa cause say MPP address onya community police di 4 years o and so say nipa we obeto credit 50 pesos no akotron some fun for their MPP ho the empire ni antam people akotro opposition and people akura bia na maame ha mia pebe bi de ne say hey 2024 year campaign no anya sam ketwa
o say ye ti MPP
me say and someone who throw one in WhatsApp so no any pictures will post it this is the real man aban no mo winning and aban papa na no me wo ho afre auntie me rent national if you run it to me kabenya 300 Ghana mama na so acho 300 Ghana $300,000 and 300 Ghana cedis or sim pacho 300 Ghana cedis na so na sa aban papa or so hwe ye mpanimfo no fro bi obi amfiu and I'm saying to all this one na me hwe wo no na ye ndisi ni auntie nse and I'm say ani nyame enka ho no aban papa aba no ko na no omfa nkosi ani omunya bi ma wa alhamdulillah na wa ye dai wafa enti bunu hine you to do bofu na ade ba ko ne se no kura wom nyame anim no kura ni se aban we ni hwia wo ya mo mu bunu hine aban we woni bibia wo me pa che wo ma di aban 1 year 3 months ni afi ba ko boso me miensa se wa hwa NPP policies are ye go on. Say they've been living on your legacy for about 1 year 3 months. Eti di omo be ya te say good for you yeah. Once and almost some gold reserve. omo toko odu na gu ho eno kura no tie minority ni nsem bi mu a eye manifo na ato agu ho na nene ho aye den ye beto ama o man Ghana no abenye sika enti nsem am ka fa ye ho no se na ye no kura ma the same thing mu kura equally mu ye more than 300%. But what yes say asem am ka na ye no kura dia, it means that mu ye more than 300%. It is okay say what creating nyuma enwuma no eye de he eniyama MPP ba ye be ye nyina se pa ye te edi nkomo afi ne bosome miensani NDC aban enkyere me ekwan ye o ma ya to ba bi don't let us be deceived say omo ba obi a omo ye kwan bia ba hu NDC aban ebre so ye bia ye continuation from where we ended
the MPP
as a political party a o mantimi ye de to so mienu ekwan bia ne ye ya nwa bia hu sika wo ho ba cho utie ehun sika ni wa na yakodi ano a sika ne beba nti o ma breso na sika na ye dey ababedu etenke ye di aban bie mu a enka sika ne beba me ye di ato so eti so se pokuase interchange ye to so a eye initiative progress process how we initiated it, how we started it, progress be koduru ye eni ba bia beduru ne ehun sese ye to ho eni hu sika aba ne ye dey unlike om commission ye o ma anya da tie o mo di so bo fo so o ma anya da ye buy no ni pesika no kura dia start e kwan na easy traffic na sika ka kura na fotuo no we manage to get money grants and ne niam ye o mo se ya bobesia dodo and am bobesia na ne yebo no so ne ye de ye niam ye de ya kwantia ne dua ye te ye di nkomo sorry say NDC ka kire so wa ye bibia ana hu se ye akwan hu se ye bibia bono hene ye de MPP ye e no mo continue o mo nye any fresh bibia patriotism ye NDC for now mo twa be di atam already phone be phone in mo ntie no mo ntie ne ye ya bra to ya ye train mo complain say traffic na danko akufo ado aban yakofa train Sabah se betimi apply ma ye ho atoye the very day ye try the fa ashaman ha no that's need the bobo ma driver no kura pry sa train ni say afini a kire ni the same place ni ya ye train na wie se betese a ya sa the bobo ni bo wa adwen papa Sanko phone be frefrem am kill you am brofofun wo de brofofun threatening nipa ofun so no wo hu de me kire no eti o man na kasa no nipa ne bitimo o mu hiamoa but o mu hiamoa no so as o man government no e de no wo ye to ease youth employment we next for bebre ene video bi a me hwe wo wan kasa onua ba na Mark Brown ne video bi a ba black up no so na me hu areho oba wa wie nurse wo say me mama was a retired senior midwife oba wa wie nurse wo di trotro mate e wetimetim kuma se yetimetim oba wo ye nursing student
intimi posting no
dabi no intimi posting dabi no di mate ya bra so ti bi da me bisa wo kanya me so no kure ye me nkase ye bedi aban ye over 300% me kasa na mabuga na fo animtia but se be ye bibia mo manfo no ho ato mo de hwe ye ban no ma na wodi chi o na shepu ne dansuo na se ne de ahoma twetwe ne kakran be si kokko no so ene ye de si hwa ye ho ade amakokko no wo e we ne hu si betibia sa ade akokko yi na hwa ye de aba mebu be sa time na di si dia kwcha IMF ani mpie mai ye betua ska before deadline IMF de mai mom tron krata bra ye se si ye pebie ma ade ye na surprise yo mo cause amama e bagibi ne bi wo kro mo down mo ka ne we de ye betua ne ntam de ase ye pebie ye nka ntra mo number me bi. And at that time, Ken Oforiata, special prosecutor Yonko, or Trocomo say, Sabrani di ni yebi, Cornelia Yankasi Rea Cinema, you bet me a soya, said you bet done your mind and no, you bet me a soya, and a baby drew, Brune, a baby drew near be here behind a moment, Sabrani drew ya, a coco GPN, the Atosumino, Didi Pina. Former Chief Justice Quatana Formon. The status here to Yanaka one Quatana from you. A Quatana Formon. Tie. NDC for a concronkitum. Etnaka Fidiso. A border will say MPP are buying wicked to the extent that Tio are buying ton of bonds. T bills or treasure bills, or you could have gone to buy treasure bills at the bank. One yet, but I buy bonds on a 1 year. At least a MP money munkakra. I buy now. It will COVID dynamic see cook by ye busu boom free all roasting war. This is for me and including President Mama no Russia is 7,000 miles away. But you don't know what that is the new patriotic party. That is the new what would the NTMP pimping for, including myself? I'm a member of National Executive Committee, Steering Committee, and a member of National Council. You could take a decision, you team phone for no some say, Mummy, you can defone first. Yeah, you can say, yeah, my as I'm catching a Juma, as I said, elections, they can fear anything. But what must say? It's in a no catch, say, Russia and Ukraine, Iran. Russia na yam fanya anyosem, but Iran they we should sympathize and empathize with you because it is going to affect us. Middle East in Tokwana ye ni mu hwehwe na more than 7,000 miles away from Ghana no ye we should sympathize and empathize with you because it tells you say there's a clear difference between the National Democratic Congress and the New Patriotic Party. Difference in ye MPP ba you and Yamabaya D on Babano Maya say ya will pa after 2028 ye dear by 2029 ye be near maso pa bra and small betiano. Now it won't be like ye court wa say it me the cocoa board former cocoa board penny could not court and fear what you feel kono mana baya baba be jano so onko opening tio onko ya nyeli obi a say you will be there so obi a baby is about India. And yes, so is that really in idea through. And not just say, Yaman the same for being called. No moment will be a baby. Not stand, call your dear, not Kiabras from your baby, and not in your mere office. OSP. To the near office. And Neko Kobo, another Koku His Excellency, and Dr. Mahmoud Baumia, or Munyan Sam, or Mumu. I'm saying that you buy a Tiko Sao. By a Mako, your phone calling him da. Uti, Yamma calling him. To crown the crowd. Yeah. Until your test on Tans album, it was said we are phoning Mama from November. What's up to music and so thousand? But some word back at Costro and he saw much more. To the cost. Now, I know. 1 year. You can go to him. I don't catch him so say we go. One quack would do this. If you know Pamia could soon. More comment section, more free cross abedi matamono. If you know could bonds. The New Patriotic Party are buying first canoe. The dividends and fast one a bass one. And now I am a Fushayan. A coba say, young Cassian Tiada. Who can see a frabum? Yes, I see it. You boom 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 sokaya. I am a fiancé, say. Some who buying her more. Sikani at the moment wait me a sustaining Munintino. And Yaman will hold on for some more. That is why such decisions here they buy. But the principle of the money, sikana sikabutre na odebe to bond no. MPP abayan fa. But omo to bonds no, enso etimi ameka da.
Okay.
Say nye sikabutre no mafa ejidi kokwa kokko da nwuram na wo no what time obi free 470 Ghana cedis. That's the MPP abai. And they are called 3,100. Who organize kokwa for confirm me catch your say mami bi o chibrodo so we bunu mami bi chibrodo o bechem junction ho sabisim junction ho o chibbo fruit bi NDC branch when organize bi ne mama na say ah mami bi hwe ne mama say ne mama no ye passe kakra TV no so no mami onye kuye ne o chibbo fruit so ye confirm nyina betena o be catch o say MPP about the New Patriotic Party government ye tiri mu wodin na man say dwaso ya tum ene ye nipa bonisem I think e mo 6,000 7,000. Send this phone in BB on or some come to do no ceremony fache we rado. No ceremony fache free MPP ho. Because boni o madi no. And then somebody o mukagu yeso atro mo digu yeso no. Me say it has hit them so hard say o mutimi survive.
Okay.
And then pacho kokko nkutam na kwakusi say na wo no ti o. Me sisu no mati su bi. Wo no obi ya di afachi. Anko ba bia amene ketokreku gina ho ano wo sa wo party wo shatawale nwumu obi adoriase
107.4
wo se obaya matam CEO di amano so onko koko board so because of TV so fa pen maka of fa maka ni paper o pe edu ba bi no akwan person o maka board correct no wo ko I don't want say akweme nye ne mo gidi obetimi ahwe koko so PowerPoint presentation that's the word uko ko uni bia obeyebu anye bia onko school anye level 100 be level 200 you get akwai waki koko TV so a just otimi waki akura o MPP na to na ho yirawo thinking say ye the man obetimi aye na wo tro letter man say his excellency children man mama ma on krata say koko ye CEO no nka jan say me pa cho me ma bon GF requirement me amwa mama GF egu ti koko nsem ntimi nya pa be fufuro fa me hye na age oje ye no wonti ahesuo da ye twi ti me kasa twi wonti ahesuo da koko produ nim se ye de nema kora fra e ma no da ne alata sam na me di dwane koko nkomu nim sa ho kire ba yetimi kora te ye nkruma e de twi e de di makodo dokono ne banku wonim won sori ahomachi nkwafo ma wo kire aboate nkohunu huna oda wontina koko oduase e ma wonte mesa nko ma collapse da wo koko afo ma sema ba wa manyoko ani mu guase wo ma mpani ani guase o kwa akota office chewe bi a brand new the rubber sha ho answer warranty boot at office e sha ho shamsham age double breasted unim double breasted pocket sa political suit na pocket ba ko ha no 4 age double breasted pocket akotene kura koko akuafo nim aha wani sei omka bibi ase o sori ba en na se musumi na busumi nim achi no
right
brohine na se wo ba beto musika no so 1001 wo dia konwa rubber sha ho je se omo afu na omo timi no kura mu omo utie umu omo afu no kura ya onwunu omo kasa kura no anyinya nan je se koko akuafo no ye no onwie yo bra anso ha ade na de monsam a wo se kosoma Singapore tukara ya mon kuka ya mon ensana black up no so mo friend me na me be man kokra kuafo no owura no kon nam kokra kuafo no mu no kokra kuafo no tikanya je ho no 2,500 no yes 10,001 number 2 ani diem kokra kuafo anko school kura no wonim se 3,100 dollars so 2,500
otuko no o paying no Ghana se CEO na ho friend Singapore
na wonim ade ya nyam nam de to no nkura na de to no black opa ma mie bi ma na kanwe wonim ade ya reho wona tuma mpanifo uti wo kokoko akuyam watimi ya hye ayi small size lean akash momo fo be hye do ono ohun akwan no hye Wellington boot ayo hukra ekwe kakran hwehwe okuku kan gag e dia kokko ye do 3,001 2,500 no e for 3,001 hey Boyine
let me quickly mami
ne ba chomba ba ni dim it's a me nana friends e just say be ma wo do kokko wo se hwe so me nana kokko ma me we no de hwe ba pa ni muti se me nana ma miska wo blonya dream nana ma miska wo ko jiro me nana e tete ho ni okko school Rollins time wo ko school na ko ka kire ne se 2,500 e 3,001 you want them to buy this, insulting the intelligence of the cocoa farmers, and you think they should take it lightly because we are buying what power. Now, idea ya me Dennis say, Baba you call me, you know, Fenunimi, Obia number as a political party, but to Obama.
Okay.
the both said your crop to a man.
Right.
This time, people to say, name of Ghana for a shania more year.
Okay.
But Trobet NDC. No, but Trobet on silence our new criminal. Sada no ye. One can it trust a moncho. What's of Yaman?
To because of BBI.
Now, at the Yakra Sentina, His Excellency Dr. Mahmoud Baumia campaign was say, Yakupo Madonna Ghana for the 2 million mamia. Mentina fio, mentina fika say mama can't say. His Excellency, BBI come Obebuja, no your town hall meeting. Now what we NDC, we MPP, we CPP. What can how no what say? What Jubilee House, what be instructed say, and go for here squad time. When we hear a friend say, what do you call it? When we hear market, when we hear football park, obey a bottom up approach. And what can we? The question is, who's of coffee for so. The question is about winning bottom up approach. The born in the Musa did Yatamam, ya done it to me, mum. She said, your man pioneer done it. Says, oh, no, my Ghana. A year not to Yesu. Brabo, Yakasa Brabo, Yesu, we are wailing. We are not crying, we are not weeping, we are wailing. What's a wailing? What at him? Yes, I dear to ya, some are tree, a bit more my Ghana. Now, okay, we have to catch us. You are exaggerating too much. That's fine, that's how they say it. But truly, 2028, Ghana 4 will speak some way into them.
Right.
One would do Kukumuti. Ever chum baby.
Jennifer, I say, be an honorable Lee.
Castle Pamela.
Quickly, Ibrahim Mahama Jetta, with Yamania, Mampany John Tramani Mahama.
May buy my Kaba Bassa. Oh, I got Crabba and a Tradi Mao.
Issue, Anna.
So I didn't patch.
Sir, what in a jet?
Baba didn't a jet, the
private jet,
Yamianum, the cream, me to see Yamity. Seminia, a castle talk, Mamma Magic. Who are the crew, Minia. Minia buying. Witty and cut for baby no Amy no a hana dear teeny the back on say the ma and hydrogen so no it can hydrogen okay say car presidential jet and wasam president ko 4 time near jet your private jet and then ye or can ya or ya 1 fee or cotoy no era mills at a barn abreast and fear me and say chance on my eba 2019 ye be dia ban and GF from say Ghana Armed Forces GF extra buy and name company defense minister then I can say yeah aircraft and yet ye pe wan be come nipa e be the sea na no a kofi mi amenu abema kofi doctor man no bo am radem fa ne currency no mo kan mo firi mu asem koto ye no enye ntinki ento foforo hey e hwana junior Singapore. So the word doctor have the current now and
Junior Singapore.
Me so call black up no so crofo di omo to become nim di omo di amame.
What was
I have document obey yan presidential bidding ho asama. Mo hwe but TV so I have document I have no yan said your cathedral bi. The big document so wura ebuton. And a young cotton jet no. Owo na abai. And so wa. Say me pacho ani di. E nema mi na baby sa ho. Baba aircraft no dia ma onua no is it one Sabah Ibrahim ni di pa no mama chiro
okay
really is it that ye de na ye 40 huntina ode ni de ni ye ni nua no papa onua no nkenya bone na de ma ne ye bone ni baba mentan maka chew se be ka papa sema na wo akokora wa na trade de man so mi sam ne so nyankopɔ be hye me den pa mama ka ho asem enye urade den sam tie adwa mu ni de bibia ne we de manyame na de tie ni de man ha dwene kakra won subject won sense won ko fa commercial flight e de company tra business class nkofo gu business and so aka no kra yen kan na che bebu ho akonta kire o man Ghana emom ko ka Japan airport o se hen wo kai 22 hours enne airport owura yi Trump ni bufu ani eja bombo ato airport yi etisenka ya na ansori asema amma na fofi anto atanke beda mo na bamu ke beda ni ehunu se ade we ne kosi no man cry see aircraft nye na mampani be so che so ye selfless man but obedi mampani a there's nothing like selflessness so we want to go yes one ye di na do atama family and friends ni family and friends pacho baba di ni di family and friends ana question number 1 number 2 ni hu guns yi kama no ba man Ghana now the money ye hu kakre ni o say ye jet na niam bi wo mu a ye de bom mpani no ho ba ho ya the question is baba iska ana o man na so da sene mpacho ye question Black Maria for Mr. Mo ho a mo hwe ya no pe mo hwe ya nwumire no muntie na ye question na mi bi sanye statement say Womo de saa kadeɛ na ye de share private jet ni mama mpani di tu kwan no ye de ahyɛ mu ana bibi koko sisesi e be ye ne de se flight ne nam wiem na ako a ekoso yi so mo ko mistake say ebi e kitane ma bi de ko ba bi ntia mbombe na unim say ayi yo kese pa na beto man Ghana. I will never wish doom, I will never predict doom, I will never wish say a man penny se bo na no bonkus me yes akora na branya me na me Kristo sum na lenti am wo mu no na anwie peye na mom enne se de etuo ne na wi unim say na wutu kwan a se wo ye transit we lay over no so tiranye na niskapa na kotwa ticket a we lay over ye 9 hours a yes na no obusua di nkra bi ko bibia betimi asi
of course
because say ye ti hai yenima abrofo no de no obi wo problem 100 years afi na aka no say wo so okoko it's offer skipul ufa Heathrow baby abefa bia no JFK ufa ho ufa airport JFK wa America ufa ho na se abufo koba ne agya bɔ mutu a na se ono obusua oni adi babai na anu ya mekaka akwantu mu snow keke wo meka akwantu ntimi ma snow keke eti kam imagine say yetuo na ato bomb bi na ato ti de mane yehu kakra no e wo se mampani ayi menu aketo yi de o kasa talking cricket grada mo friends o bi communication at the presidency ketwa bi o ketwa sa menu apani ne me
unless of body patrofosu
fantastic de papa no se mo nkasa no ba no ne papa no ono na sam na meke utie
mecho ya na ni enko
e wo se sabre aye be kono no se so no mawie se de me kanie e wo se o mo mani issue statement na mampani be kire o man Ghana mu de ntia fe ho no wo ye mampani whether we like it or yes o ye mampani
born is safety
fantastic it is say ye ka ho asam anye ne born so se betra na menim so obebi sasasem wi ka me dodge o question me se baba nti se mi wa akakora na ye bibie ho kanya bone so se odo aircraft odo wo no enya bone so se odo na aircraft be fo onua but the question is it well protected ya yen such that betimi abo mampani hu ban in case of bomb bi in case of a bia tonsu ma na e bibia yen tanu won onua nya ska na mboa mpacho wani di obi atro comment section say me say eno so your family and friends ana
okay
won say ensam a wo mo keka ye no eno bia na asabe na na do kra de adwuma wura gabi wanto plane amana na do kenofurata obi ani san wanto aircraft amana na do anamboa one high private jet club and say me di me sika na nko man say nko metwa jet to am na hye enso we na buy ne de wo penny ni pa some way ti asema me kai my most radio station interview I speak to 11 radio stations a day for 11 years ni anopa bia me call radio na me kasa na me yesi obi anya kudro mi sama obi sami unu akontia sem trofo no na people 40 more day people want some trofo ni bi e say bia fom obi na no kura mie daka mu cruise ami ato ye rajandro mama ni say ene de o ye deputy yesu asase yesu me so me ye oba yesu bi di ba kono na ndi onya hu
what do oba yesu
me nam de oba yesu no uti ene ato ne din so ye Jesus Christ deputy wa asase so mampani tinia manya wo hu ma me fa wo nsi me nka biem the National Democratic Congress omo me comment section omo hwe me omo me live no so efutu abidi mo ni so omo ye omo duoduo nipa mo so masene kakra ye ma bibi kakra ya samba kata so political party bi abufu nti wakote na ho ye kasa ma wo eti wo ba ma atiri ma ye de say all is well mine you say san krofo nyom kwa na ekoto aba it will surprise you say radio station bi kura o hye na fum ebinum ai na wakasa en kasa wo bo aba so no ebedu obi kura no ni kuri mo beto aba
okay
patoti eti di owo so wo ye ne no aka afi we di aso awie yesi general say ye wo match
election year
yesi second week or third week ni ye call match
afi twomasa
fantastic ye afi we twom a ye koto aba hansa ye campaign started by God's grace the new patriotic party wa me anka ho asa nti na ba afia the new patriotic party aban me be sorry the new patriotic party aban no de ye ni nyankopon ya adom a ye pani na wi polling station constituency coordinators research officers is crowd the coms director account ye be wi ni nyina by September na ye free
na chesu kwamuda
bra
na wo kɔ de he
bra October November December kopum 2027 2028 Ghana for you almost nsem ka omo nsem ti
o kɔ de he foruwa
ba cho say anticipate nyame nka wate
mesweda say Jennifer foruwa kwan deputy communication
thank you so much
MPP
me followers nyame nsira mo wate omo ayado
mami ko honorable Lee Mega Esquire, ex Nasi, Waba,
a lawyer for boss, let me react.
What's about law school now?